Three, two, one.
Good morning everyone! How's everyone today? Dito po sa amin, kalmante ang alon. It's not like yesterday. Galit ang tubig. Ayan po yung mga uling kinukuha na. Yeah, how many sacks is that? I think it's about mga ano po, 12? Yeah. There, hinahakot na po, ano. Uling po yan ng aking ate. There you go. Dadalhin po yan sa kwan daw. So, malaking palaisdaan doon. You remember? Yung pinuntahan po natin palaisdaan na napakalaki. Doon po ang punta niyan. Hi! Hi! Ano po bang atin ngayon? Oh, nasamid ako. Don't ask, what's with the clothes? Mainit po, napakainit. It's September. Kung sa parte po ng ano, nagyayelong bansa, autumn na po ngayon. Taglagas. In here, napakainit. Huhu! Oh, nasamid ako. May napaalala sa akin. Sandali po. That part of Marinduque, raining. And that part, wow. The island of Marinduque, so visible today. There. The bridge is wiggling. That's why they're making another bridge in there. Yeah. Teggy. Tigre. There. Let's go. We have a visitor. Look. Cutie pie chikiyaw. Oh. 5 po sila. Supposed to be 6. Namatay yung isa. Ito po, pinakamaliit. I found it very cute. Why? Kasi po, buo na yung pakpak at may buntot na. Pero maliit. Yung iba, hindi pa buo yung pakpak. Wala pang buntot. But they are quite big. Oh, nahuli ko. Nahuli ko, cutie pie. Ago. Sayang, 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 sayang. Jangan nangis, leh. Say hello. Hello. Oy. Oh, ang gaan-gaan mo. Oh. What? Uhu. 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 Bye-bye, folks. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye. Bye-bye. 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 the mother hen is calling. Bye-bye.
Okay, two, okay, eto na. Oh, kuha ko na eh, kasi ay, ano na tayo.
May katol. Tapos lagyan po natin ng ganyan, no? There you are. Ha. Everyone, magandang gabi. Dito po nagtatapos ang ating video. As you can see, ipinakita ko po yung aking katol kanina, which is coconut husk. At ang ating pong ilaw, hindi lampshade because we don't have one. Ito po flashlight. So katatapos ko lang pong magbasa. Ano? It's nice to read when yung surrounding mo madilim. Tapos yun lang pong binabasa mo ang may ilaw. Ano po? Thank you very much for dropping by to watch. Lagi po kayong manonood. Always come back. And thank you very much for bearing with me. Ano po? As I always say, do subscribe, yeah? Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Enjoy the rest of your evening.